Did you know your garage door is the heaviest moving object in your home? Here's how to make sure it's safe.
Let's start with photo eye sensors. These safety features should stop and reverse your door if something breaks the beam. If they don't, it could mean they're dirty or misaligned.
Next up, spring and cable safety. These parts are under high tension. If one snaps or slips, it can cause serious injury.
This is never a DIY job. Don't forget your manual emergency release. That red cord lets you disconnect the opener during a power outage, but only use it when the door is fully closed.
Now for basic maintenance. Check your rollers, hinges, and tracks every month. Keep them clean and lubricated, and look for signs of wear.
And finally, know when to call a pro. We recommend safety check twice a year or sooner if something doesn't feel right.
Your family safety starts with a reliable garage door.
Trust Dynamic Garage Doors for peace of mind.